Okay, so we got approved, yay! And that only took about 24 hours. So the emails come in saying, yes, you're approved, and there's some details on here. So the first thing is creating an affiliate profile. They've created a wiki, which goes through, just say yes to that there. It goes through and tells you how to actually set your profile up, because it's kind of like putting your best foot forward, a bit of a resume, or at least just saying who you are, so that if other brands out there want to reach out to you and say, hey, would you like to promote my stuff as well, they're being able to read a little bit about you. So all the information is there. And of course, the first thing they ask you to do is log in to your profile. So we'll go in and do that now. So naturally, when you first log in, you're going to have a few instructions here. So it says here that we've got tax details to complete. We need your payment details so that when they actually go to pay you, they know where to pay it to. And of course, completing that profile. So they're the extra things you need to do. And look at this, it says $5 is already approved. It's like, wow, how did that happen? Well, that's the $5 that you paid. So you pay to start the process, the approval process, but they do pay it back to you with your first commission earned. I guess it's a bit of an incentive to get out there and get your marketing happening. So just a couple of things to point out in the dashboard is when you've actually set your account up, you'll have put in your name and it asks for like a company or business name. So the way the platform is set up is you've got your personal account or your personal name here, and that's where you can do your user details, log out, etc. And on this column you've actually got the actual affiliate account. So it could be in your name, it could be a business name. So it's in this account here where it actually has the user dashboard. That's what we're currently sitting on at the moment. So what we can look at, you've got a lot of different things to look at here, but basically under your account you have the overview that you need to do. You've got all your settings, details. If you're wanting to add different users to your account, if you're wanting somebody to manage your affiliate links for you, and of course just other legal terms and conditions, etc. Then there's the advertisers. This is the one you want to look at. So here is the programs, and you've got my programs, close programs, or join programs. So let's have a look and see if we actually, as we've clicked on that, see if anything has been approved as yet. So it brings up here that we've got joined is the AWIN. That's fine. So we've actually, yes, we have joined the affiliate window network. So we've got the different tabs here, and really it's a case of just checking through. Really we want to look at what's not joined and the pending, because this should have come through with the trusted house sitters, but what we can do is go and search them again. So if we go back over here to all advertisers, and let's just put in here, it's copied. So it's brought trusted house sitters up here, and basically we can click on that. Let's have a look at these actions. Join to program, and it just talks about the terms up here. It talks about, generally speaking, all of these will say how you can advertise, what you can do. Let's have a look here. So it's asking with the promotion, you've got content, and if you've actually added a website, it'll show up down here as well. I'd suggest putting your website in. If you don't have a blog or anything as yet, just leave it as content, but I think you really do need to kind of have that website there available. So select that and then just write them a quick message saying, hey, I'm blogging and going to be doing some YouTube marketing or something like that, like whatever it is that you're doing, and can't wait to refer you to my audience or my network of people. So just something simple in there. And again, if it's a program, you have to check the box down here and then click join. So whatever program it is that you're applying to, just, if they've got a really high approval rate, you should be fine. So some of the things to look at are these numbers. So you've got a really good conversion rate. Industry averages are between 1% and 2%. So this one actually is 5.5%. That's really good. The approval rate, that means that they pretty much don't reject many people at all. There's only like 1.05% of people get rejected for being an affiliate. You've got a payment status, that means that they are actually paying on time, and just other information. So as you're looking through other ones, so coming down here to Travel Zoo, they've actually got a lower conversion rate, high approval rate, but the payment status is in amber, so it's sort of, what's that saying? Approved commissions will be paid to publisher after the advertiser has paid AWIN. Okay, so yeah, it's got to be just showing up whether there are on-time payment or not, perhaps. So yeah, we can click under here under pending now, and this should show that we have applied and just waiting to hear back on that. And of course, if you're looking for other programs to join up to, you can come over here to this search element here. Let's say we're looking in travel, you can tick the travel and all of the drop down will show up there as well, and just start searching your way through. So there's like 3 pages here of different programs, and just have a look and see, you know, who it is you'd like to join up to. We've got Momondo there as well, that's pretty cool. Apple Vacations, the Euro one, that's very cool. And yeah, just again, click and join, and read through the guidelines, and just write a little note. Consider it's a weekend that we did the application. Basically, we're probably not going to hear back from any of the brands or trusted house sitters or any other travel programs that I actually sign up to until Monday. So in the meantime, it's definitely going to be about filling in these details, these little prompts here. So we definitely want to do the profile and put in the pay detail and get the tax information submitted, get all that done, and in preparation for coming and getting the links, which we'll have a look at in the next video, so that you know what to do with your links, where it is you can post, and whether they can be direct links or whether they need to go through either your website, blog, some sort of landing page, some sort of funnel. So yeah, lots to talk about in the next video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss getting the notification, because once we've got this approval from these different travel brands and trusted house sitters, we'll be able to show you how to actually create your links. Okay, until then, see you later.